Are you a musician? Are you looking for new ways to make and produce music? Do you want to learn how to transform data into sounds and music? Then register now for the Sound of Data Artist Residency at Rocklab and perform at the closing event on December 3rd at the Club of the Rock Hall along with Max Cooper, Valerie Vermeulen and many more. We are looking for musicians and bands from all kinds of genres to create music with data collected in Esch using the process of data sonification. You'll get free access to Rocklab's rehearsal rooms, equipment, recording and production spaces from May to November 2022. Creative workshops, masterclasses and mentoring sessions by experts and musicians such as Valerie Vermeulen or Elephant. Register now on thesoundofdata.lu.